Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 2, Day 2. I am going to say the sounds in a word and then we will put it together. K, E, P, keep. How many sounds did you hear? K, E, P. I heard 3. Did you hear 3? We're going to read some more sounds, some more words. We'll say the word and then we'll make the sounds. She, sh, e. 2 sounds. Teeth, t, e, th. 3 sounds. Wheel, w, e, o. 3 sounds. Heat, h, e, t. 3 sounds. Chief, ch, e, f. 3 sounds. Steel, s, t, e, o. 4 sounds. Brief, b, e, f. 4 sounds. Eat, e, t. 2 sounds. Leave, e, v. 3 sounds. Freeze, f, e, z. 4 sounds. Okay, let's review some of the words we've been looking at. 3, 2, 1. Me. Remember, EA says E. 3, 2, 1. Each. 3, 2, 1. See. 3, 2, 1. Keep. E are so happy to see each other. They go E. 3, 2, 1. Speak. E. 3, 2, 1. Field. 3, 2, 1. Sneeze. E. 3, 2, 1. Beat. 3, 2, 1. Feed. 3, 2, 1. Deep. Okay, friends, so this week we are working on the tree card, which is long E. Long E says its name. We have E as in we. We have EE as in deep, which is E. We have EA, which is E, as in speak, and we have IE, as in chief. So all of these different spellings say E, and we've already learned E blank E. Okay, let's make the sounds. E, 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 E. 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 Okay, here we go. Need. Word, need. I'll let you have a turn. Word, eat. Together. Sleep. Word, sleep. Your turn. Word, he. Together. Ease. Word, niece. Okay, here we go. Let's do the top 3 together and then we'll take turns. So we know this says E, so flee. Word, flee. Word, e, she. Sweep. Sweep. Okay, now it's your turn. Remember, this says E. 3, 2, 1. Clean. Together, speak. Word, speak. Your turn. Remember, this is E. 3, 2, 1. Thief. Together, eve. Word, leave. Oh, whoops. Your turn here. 3, 2, 1. Free. Together, beach. Word, beach. Okay. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Green. Together, eed. Together, read. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Please. Now you know why it says please. Okay, let's read this. Bean. Change the n to t. Beat. Change the b to s. Seat. Change the s to ch. Cheat. Change the t to p. cheap. Change the ch to h. Heap. Change the h to reap. Change the p to ul. Real. Change the to d. Deal. Change the d to seal. Get rid of the e, the L. Cover up the L with your hand. C. Change the E to E. Change the EA to EE. So this is like the ocean, and this is like ICU. Okay. Oh, whoops. C. Add a P at the end. C. P. Change the S to sh. Sheep. Change the sh to d. Deep. Change the ch. Oh, whoops. Change the d to ch. So this is ch. Change the p to f. So ch. E. Change the ch to th. Thief. Change the th to gr. Grief. Okay, that's it for that. Let's read our high frequency words. Because. I like the dress because it is blue. Blue. I like the dress because it is blue. Into. We jumped into the other lake. Other. We jumped into the other lake. Or. I will take a large piece or a small piece. Small. I will take a large piece or a small piece. If I cover up the sm, this says all, so you just add the blend, small. Here's our story for today. Here we go. I see E and E again. Let's read it together. A clean beach. Here's some words we'll see. 3, 2, 1, isn't. 3, 2, 1, said. 3, 2, 1, today. 3, 2, 1, going. 3, 2, 1, told. 3, 2, 1, why. 3, 2, 1, could. 3, 2, 1, showed. 3, 2, 1, sign. 3, 2, 1, your. 3, 2, 1, wasn't. Okay, so here's our story. Let's look at our E and E. Let's read it together. A clean beach. Okay, let's look for our patterns. So this girl's name is D, and Jean. Oh, D and Jean are the girls. We, E. Okay, ready? Begin. Mom woke us up. Get up, D. Get up, Jean. But it isn't time, we said. No sleeping in today. We are going to the beach, said Mom. Okay, let's look for our patterns. I see we, E. Okay, together. Ready, begin. We sat in the back seat. Mom told us to dress in jeans. Why? I asked. You will see, said Mom. Okay, I see E. Okay, here we go. When we got to the beach, I ran to the sand. I could smell the sea. I could feel the breeze. Then Mom showed us why we had come. Okay, here we go. E. Lots of E's. Okay, here we go. A man held a sign. It said, "Clean up your beach. Please help." We need to clean up, Jean said. I agreed. Okay, here we go again. E. Compound word with these. Okay, here we go. The man asked us to please put the trash in the bags. He told us to leave shells, rocks, and seaweed on the beach. Okay, so here they are cleaning. Let's look for E. E, 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 E. Okay, here we go. We picked up bags, cans, and junk. Mom picked up a green bottle. We filled 3 bags with trash. Then we piled the bags in a heap. Okay, one more page. Here we go. E, E, E. E, E. Okay, here we go. We had a seat on the beach and rested. Mom said, "Wasn't that fun? Now the beach is clean. I hope it will stay that way." Wasn't that so nice that they helped out? When we help, things stay nice. Okay, so today we're talking about a prefix. A prefix is a word part that you add to the beginning of a word. A prefix changes the word. So this is heat. Mom will heat my soup. When I put re in front, it means again. So I will reheat the soup tonight when I get hungry. Reheat means heat again. Okay, so re means again. Here's another prefix. It's un. So I have the word clean. I promised to clean my room. My mom was upset at my sister's unclean room. Un means not. So un means not. So if you're unhappy, you're not happy. If the room is unclean, it's not clean. Okay, so re is again, un is not. So clean, unclean. Okay, last prefix is pre. Pre means before, like preschool is before school. Okay, so I want to read the story again. Reading the title of the story is a good pre-read strategy. That means read before. So pre means before. Think of preschool. Okay, so we're going to add re to each of these words. So what's this word? Read. Now remember, re means again. So if I reread, I'm reading it again. Play, if I put re, means again. I'm going to replay or play again. Okay, let's look at another one. Paid. So un means not. If you're unpaid, you're not paid. This is real. Add un. Unreal means not real. Okay, our next one is pre. Pre means before. So we have teach. Pre-teach means you teach it before. Cook, add pre. It means we cook it before. Okay. We use the word have to tell about more than one person, place, or thing that has or owns something. We also use have when we say I or you. We use has to tell about one person, place, or thing that owns something. So here we go. Dogs do not have hands. So what's my verb? Have. And we're talking about more than one, so 2 or more, they do not have. Okay, let's look at the next one. The boy has a green pail. What's my verb? Has. And how many people am I talking about? 1. So one person, place, or thing, we say has. But 2 or more, you and I, you say have for your verb. Okay, we'll talk more about that tomorrow. Bye, everyone.